Turbo Trendz TV, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest rides, one thrilling review at a time. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of German engineering at the 2026 Audi A6. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of modern luxury, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance. Audi has been perfecting the A6 formula for decades, and this 2026 version represents the peak of elegance, style, and engineering. Buckle up, because we're going to explore every detail from its striking exterior to its advanced interior, thrilling performance, and overall driving experience that could redefine what you expect from a luxury sedan. Exterior. From the moment you set eyes on the 2026 Audi A6, it's clear this isn't a mere update, it's a full evolution. The front end makes a statement with a bolder, wider single-frame grille, now featuring a honeycomb pattern and chrome accents that enhance its presence. The LED matrix headlights are sharper, more sophisticated, and adaptive, adjusting each beam individually for optimal illumination without blinding oncoming traffic. The sculpted hood lines flow seamlessly into the windshield, creating a sense of power and motion even when the car is parked. It's modern, confident, and unmistakably Audi. The side profile highlights the car's elegance and balance. Stretching just under 197 inches, it commands the road with perfectly proportioned dimensions. Flush door handles add to the clean, aerodynamic appearance, while subtle character lines flow from the headlights to the rear taillights. The sloping roof line gives the car a coupe-like sporty stance without compromising rear headroom. Depending on the trim, wheels range from 18 to 21 inches, filling the arches and giving the A6 a planted, muscular look. Chrome window surrounds or the optional black optic package allow owners to customize the exterior from classy to aggressive. This car doesn't try to impress, it simply radiates confidence. At the rear, Audi continues its design brilliance. A full-width OLED taillight bar spans the trunk, connecting both sides with crisp, futuristic illumination. Each taillight offers customizable light signatures, animating when the car is unlocked or started. A subtle integrated spoiler adds sportiness, while clean lower bumper outlets enhance aerodynamics. Dual exhausts are neatly integrated, creating a minimalist and performance-focused finish. Every detail at the back is deliberate, cohesive, and perfectly aligned with the overall design. Interior. Step inside, and the cabin demonstrates why Audi interiors are benchmarks in the luxury segment. The interior feels like a futuristic lounge, combining digital displays, soft-touch materials, and meticulous craftsmanship. The MMI infotainment system features a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen paired with an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster. Optional 10.9-inch passenger display allows the co-pilot to manage entertainment or navigation without distraction. The center console is sleek, minimalist, and available in aluminum or open-pore wood trim, depending on configuration. Comfort is exceptional. Multi-contour seats provide heating, cooling, and massage functions. Four-zone climate control allows each occupant to personalize their environment. Ambient lighting wraps the cabin, and the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light. Sound insulation has been improved, making the A6 one of the quietest sedans in its class. Audi's Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, with 19 speakers, delivers immersive audio. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, heated seats, climate vents, and plush armrests. The cabin balances driver-focused design with passenger comfort seamlessly. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 A6 combines power with efficiency. The turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, paired with the mild hybrid system, produces 362 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and managed by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering smooth shifts and rapid acceleration. The 0-60 miles per hour sprint is achieved in about 4.5 seconds, which is remarkable for a sedan that prioritizes comfort without sacrificing performance. Handling is precise and adaptable. Audi's adaptive air suspension adjusts ride height and damping automatically. In comfort mode, the car glides over rough roads, while dynamic mode tightens steering and suspension for spirited driving. Optional rear-wheel steering enhances agility in tight spaces and stability at high speeds. Fuel efficiency benefits from the mild hybrid system, using a 48-volt electrical architecture that assists acceleration and enables engine off-coasting at highway speeds, yielding around 25 miles per gallon combined. Technology and safety are at the forefront. The A6 includes adaptive cruise control with lane guidance, traffic jam assist, collision avoidance, and 360-degree cameras. Semi-autonomous low-speed maneuvering improves convenience, while the predictive efficiency assistant optimizes fuel use using GPS and traffic data. Acceleration and braking adjustments happen automatically, making the car smarter and safer. The 2026 Audi A6 brings the feeling of near-autonomous driving to a luxury sedan. Pricing starts at approximately $65,000 for the premium trim, $68,000 for premium plus, and $72,000 for prestige. Optional features, including the S-Line Sport package, adaptive air suspension, and Bang & Olufsen audio, can bring the price closer to $80,000. Compared to competitors like the BMW 5 Series, Mercedes E-Class, and Lexus S, the A6 offers a compelling combination of luxury, performance, and technology at a competitive price point. Ultimately, the 2026 Audi A6 is a triumph of design, performance, and innovation. It is bold yet elegant, powerful yet efficient, and packed with technology without being overwhelming. Whether you are an executive seeking comfort and style or an enthusiast craving performance and control, the A6 delivers both in perfect harmony. Luxury no longer means sacrificing excitement, and performance no longer means giving up sophistication. If you're searching for a sedan that excels in design, comfort, performance, and technology, the 2026 Audi A6 deserves a top spot on your list. That wraps up our detailed look at this incredible car. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the hottest rides. Keep your engines running and your dreams revving. This is Trendz TV, signing off.